I guess here 4 square is 16 minus 3 times 2 in bracket plus 6 divided by 2. Here 16 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6 divided by 2. Here this is 16 minus 6 is 10 plus this 6 divided by 2. Here 10 plus 6 is 16 divided by this 2. Here 16 divided by 2 is 8 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, 8 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this pandas rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations panda. Here, as per this order of operations pandas, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 4 square minus this bracket is 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6 divided by 2. Here next priority is exponent. We have exponent here 4 square. 4 square is 16 minus 6 plus 6 divided by 2. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. We have division in this problem. We have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 16 minus 6 plus this is 6 divided by 2 is 3. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this one. 16 minus 6 is 10 plus 3. Here 10 plus 3 is 13 is the correct answer.